With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, here the question is assertion and region are given. Assertion said that soap has both hydrophilic and hydrophobic group, right? Next is region is said that soap act as an emulsifier in cleaning action, right? So let's see here. We know that soap has both soap has a structure in which a one head and a tail is present, right? A structure like this, that is a head part and its tail part, right? So this head part is hydrophilic, which is water loving part group, hydrophilic, and this tail part is hydrophobic group or hydrophobic part, that is water hating group. So we can say that our assertion is correct because soap has both hydrophilic and hydrophobic group. So this hydrophobic group attract this hydrophobic, that is water hating, attract dust, dirt, grease, oil, and etc from water, and this water loving which is help in cleaning the water, right? Next is our region said that soap act as emulsifier in cleaning action. So let's see the emulsifier, right? So what is emulsifier? So emulsifier is a reagent added to emulsion to increase the rate of reaction, right? To increase the rate of reaction, right? This is the work of emulsifier, right? So here our soap work as emulsifier, right? So it is correct. And soap act as a cleansing agent, right? So it is also correct. So our soap assertion is true and region is also true. So we can say that if both assertion and region are true, and region is a correct explanation of assertion, so our correct option is option A. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.